Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to boost your affiliate sales with a landing page without spending money? In this video, I will show you how to create a quick and professional looking landing page for affiliate marketing completely free using system.io or Canva. What's a landing page? A landing page is a focused web page that captures your audience's attention and encourages them to click your affiliate link, sign up, or buy. It increases conversions and builds trust way better than just dropping a new link, just dropping a raw link. Now go to system.io. It's 100% free and beginner friendly. Create your account and log into your dashboard. Then sign in, enter verification code, or sign in with a different email address, or create a new one from your dashboard. Click enter your email address, then get my free account. Then follow the process. Enter your phone number. I will use a temporary number from a website. Then select a number from here and paste it here and click next. Then enter your email address, submit. Now go to your email inbox. Then click here or accept your wait a minute and click reset. Click here to reset it. Your credentials. Then check the inbox and follow the reset process. Click on funnels, then create name your funnel and choose build an audience. To create a simple opt-in or information page, choose a clean template to start. Now edit the text to match your product. Example, download the free guide to lose belly fat. First, replace the image, write your hook, and make the call to action button. Say something like, get instant access. Your dashboard look like that. Click on your button, go to Action Settings, and paste your affiliate link. When people click the button, they will be redirected to your offer. That's it. No need for a full website. You can also add a simple thank you page with a bonus or even another affiliate offer. It keeps users engaged and increases the chance of them buying. Then click the publish button, copy your landing page URL and open it in a new browser tab to test everything. Make sure the button redirects to your affiliate offers. To get clicks, promote your landing page link on platforms like TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram Reels, email newsletters. This keeps your affiliate link clean and easy to share. Pros: 100% free to start, increases conversions, customizable and mobile friendly. Cons: free plans may have limited templates. You may need to upgrade for custom domains later. Bonus tips: use curiosity in your headlines. Offer a freebie like a guide or checklist. Keep the layout clean and focused. So that's it. From your dashboard, you can see the pricing tab. Click on it and choose a plan like free or startup, webinar, unlimited. Choose one from the page and click get started for free or go to features tab. You will see the features of System.io, and that's how you create a quick and free landing page for affiliate marketing. If this helped, like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want tutorials on free traffic strategies next. Thanks for watching.